Hello, it's Snoopy. Today I'm in Ueno. I'm going to take a walk starting at Ueno Station. Ueno was a town that flourished around the temple, and since the opening of Ueno Park, many facilities including art galleries and museums have been built. Okay, let's get started. Ueno Park has been a popular place for people to view cherry blossoms since the Edo period. After the opening of Ueno Park in 1876, a railway linking Ueno to the various regions was opened. This is the National Museum of Western Art. I need a ticket to get inside, but just looking around here is free. There are many sculptures here. Many of these are the works of French sculptor Auguste Rodin. This is Hercules the Archer by Bourdon. This museum is so generous to display the works of top sculptors for free in such a place like this. There are now 7 gates in bronze throughout the world. It's not the weekend, but there are plenty of tourists and locals in the park. There is a zoo over there. Ueno Zoo is the first zoo in Japan that opened and annexed to the National Museum in 1882. I'm not going there today though. I stopped at Ueno Toshogu Shrine. Ueno Toshogu is a shrine that was dedicated in 1627 to the memory of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate. In addition to Ieyasu, the 8th shogun Tokugawa Yoshimune and the 15th and final shogun Tokugawa Yoshinobu are also enshrined here. Many temples have pagodas. I thought that 5-story pagoda was a typical building found in temples. But this is not a temple but a shrine. Why is this? During the Edo period, there was a large temple called Kan-Age Temple here. However, in 1868, the edict ordering the separation of Shinto and Buddhism by the Meiji government separated the site as a shrine called Ueno Toshogu. Kan-Age Temple had its main hall reconstructed on a different site. The 5-story pagoda is a remnant of the old Kan-Age Temple. I'm a little hungry now. This is not a restaurant but a Japanese-style cafe. I'm not that hungry now, so this is good enough for me. The name of this cafe is Shin Uguis-tei. Uguis means bush warbler in Japanese. Okay, let's get inside. I'll have this, oden. It's a type of nabemono, a Japanese hot pot dish consisting of several ingredients such as boiled eggs, daikon, tofu, and fish cakes stewed in light soy-flavored dashi broth. I will also try Uguisu dango, which is on the menu from the very beginning of the establishment. The anko red bean paste is not too sweet and has a delicate taste. A group of elderly people are walking up the stairs in front of me. They are Genki. I'm heading to Ueno Daibutsu. Ueno Daibutsu was a giant seated statue of Buddha erected in the early Edo period. Now, let's say hello to him. After multiple disasters, its head was toppled during the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. All parts were kept for reconstruction but were melted down for reuse during the Pacific War. Only its face remains now. That is a Dizo statue, the guardian deity of children made out of stone. It's lovely to have greenery even in a place like this, in the middle of Tokyo. This is the main entrance. I entered there from the back, didn't I? Wait, what is that? A totem pole. The description of the totem pole says that this was built to wish the people of the city peace and prosperity. But I have no idea why they chose a totem pole as the monument. That is the Tokyo National Museum. It's the oldest and the largest national museum in Japan. The current building is the second generation. The first building, completed in 1881 and designed by the British architect Josiah Condell, was severely damaged in the Great Kanto earthquake. The current main building, a concrete Western-style structure with an oriental tile roof, was opened in 1938. This is the Panda Bridge. It was built to evacuate people to Ueno Park in the event of major disasters. Therefore, the bridge has a very wide construction. I came to another part of Ueno Park. Here, there is a hero from the late Edo period to the early Meiji period. I'm going to meet him now. That is a bronze statue of the hero Saigo Takamori. This statue has a story behind it. Saigo's wife was present at the unveiling ceremony. When she saw the statue for the first time, she murmured, "What? My husband was not like that." This episode shows how the statue does not look like Saigo Takamori himself. Ueno Park was given to Tokyo City by Emperor Taisho. Its official name is Ueno Onshi Koen, which literally means Ueno Imperial Gift Park. This is Keisei Ueno Station. You can go directly to Narita Airport from here. However, transferring from JR Ueno Station itself is easier from the next station, Nippori Station. Now I am walking down Ameya Yokocho. Ameya Yokocho, often shortened to Ameyoko, is an open-air market street along the Yamanote Line tracks between Ueno and Okachimachi stations. Ameya Yokocho literally means candy store alley in Japanese, as candies were traditionally sold here. Alternatively, Ame also stands for America because of many American products used to be available when the street was the site of the black market in the years following World War II. I love back alleys like this. At the end of the year, this street is packed with people buying food for the New Year's celebrations. I have never bought anything here, but I would love to shop here one day in preparation for the New Year. Sometimes there are places in Tokyo that are reminiscent of these old black markets. The other end of Ameyoko is now inside. Walking down this street is almost the same as walking from Ueno to Okachimachi. It's a long walk. How did you like my walk in Ueno? Ueno, like the rest of Tokyo, was full of history from the Edo period to the present. Ueno Station used to serve as a gateway between Tokyo and the rest of Japan. It's interesting to imagine how people from the countryside felt when they first got off Ueno Station. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm taking requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね